Well, hello, folks. It's another week. This is a little after mid-October, heading toward Halloween. The weather for the next 3 days should be pretty fantastic. It's really starting to cool off. Highs Saturday might be in the mid 50s, but not too bad. This time I'm going to be actually getting two inspections. So I finally got the drawings from the engineer, starting to draw up the RFQ for the steel. But I'm getting ready to put in the rebar and frame for the two piers, and then we're getting the plumbing inspected on Friday. So aside from that, I'll be working on taking out this wall here over to the window, which is just beyond this plastic. And that will let me redo the busted, what do you call it? Sill plate and rim joist. And then begin the concept of, hey, I can replace those joists because I've replaced the rim joist and now we'll be termite free. So big weekend if big week if things are okay. All right, folks. Just wanted to give you an idea again of why we're doing this. This is just such a beautiful day down here. It's October 22nd. So that's why we are remodeling this place. Land without a house down here is impossible to find, or you're paying for 150 acres. It's dead quiet because nobody lives down here that lives on the water except a couple people. And so this week, the focus is getting these footers inspected, piers, technically. And so yesterday, I spent a lot of time working on cleaning up these footer holes, pier holes. So this is going to be a lot of concrete. I've got to go up to the top of that footer there on the left. In this case, I have to dig, in this hole right here, I have to dig actually another probably, I don't know, 3 inches just to make it even with the other side, which I'll show over here. Oh my God, that's a lot of concrete. So I'm considering getting a yard or two delivered because that would be a lot of mixing. Anyway, today I hope to finish excavating this, put in the rebar, and then frame around the hole there, because tomorrow is inspection time. So let me show you the other end. All right. So here is the companion on the other side. This is the northwest side of the house. And you see the two rebars going to the top of the screen. They go in the hole under there, under that siding that I laid down. Uh, yeah. So again, the concrete here goes up to the level of this footer. And this is the other end. So you can see the difference in height between the old footer on the right and the new 1995 footer on the left. And so because I had originally excavated below the bottom of the left footer, I have to keep that open and fill it with concrete. I can't like just fill it with gravel because I've disturbed the undisturbed earth under the level of the bottom of that footer. So anyway, my bad. So yeah, we'll see what the inspector says. All right, brought myself a little Christmas present. Freaking lights. Now I can see. I'm finding in my old age that to compensate for my poor vision, I need more freaking light. You might discover that too. All right, finally got the form made and all braced up. So it's basically 3 1x8s tall, which is what, 21, 22 and a half inches or so on this side. And I got a little diagonal component there to account for the fact that that dirt is missing from underneath the edge of this footer here. Anyway, I'm just maybe a little too anal, but you know what? If the inspector sees it and it helps him make a decision either way, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with the extra work. So hopefully this form won't blow out like the one that was supposedly being professionally done by the clowns that did our walkout up in Oakton, but who knows? Anyway, thanks.
Let's sing one together. This is a pretty easy song. It's about connecting with people and kind of having soulmates. And all of us, I think, are really soulmates. And we're all here. We're all sort of connected through this banjo. You can sort of connect any way you want. I mean, you can connect at work. You can connect with people on the ball field. You connect with people. We're going to sing a little bit about that later, but one of the first and most important ways we connect is on a battlefield. Connected through our differences. And so many battlefields are sacred places because of the things that go on there, and the spiritual things that happen, people that learned a little bit about one another through doing battle. And the chorus of this song was, I'll sing it with, and then you can sing with me. Take me out on the battlefield. Show me the rain and the blood and tell me how to heal. This is where it happens, where the lessons all are real. Take me out on the battlefield. You try. Take me out on the battlefield. Nice. Show me the rain and the blood and tell me how to heal. 'Cause this is where it happened, where the lessons all are real. Take me out on the battlefield. Wherever you are in the circle, there's always something to learn. Even death is a blessing, every stone has a time to turn. Living, loving, dying, learning all these circles make a change. And the battlefield's where the lessons all begin. Take me out on the battlefield. Show me the rain and the blood and tell me how to heal. 'Cause this is where it happened, where the lessons all are real. Take me out on the battlefield. Here I am on top of the world, I'm up on the 20th floor. Got my big old chair, got my name, got this big old plaque on the door. But there's a sickness in my spirit, before it drags me to the ground. I'm gonna get up on that chair and I'm gonna take my name down. And I'm going out on the battlefield. Show me the rain and the blood and tell me how to heal. This is where it happened, where the lessons all are real. Take me out on the battlefield. Take me out. Me the rain and blood and tell me how to heal. 'Cause this is where it happened, where the lessons all are real. Take me out.
All right, and inside here you can see the new sill plate with foam under it and the rim joist. There's a bolt there anchored into concrete. Of course, I'll replace the washers and then be able to tighten that down after the concrete hardens for a little bit. And but you notice that there's nothing supporting three of these 2x4s in the wall. It's just amazing how little support things need. Anyway, well, there's no snow on the roof too. Cheers. All right, folks. So this was a huge week. Got this footer poured, Pier poured, excuse me, inside and out, and then replaced the sill plate and rim joist for 6 feet. And what that allows me to do is to replace the joists that are in here, the ones that were so rotten. They go toward the center of the house. So once I replace those, then I can put down plywood to support the posts that support the main beam. So next time I come down, I'm going to be framing the inside of the lower area and preparing it for inspection. And, maybe in a month or two, we will be in a position to install posts for the main beam. So how far I'm going to go down this way to replace the sill plate and rim joist, I don't know. We can get to that after I've already installed the main beam. Thanks.